Hello Internet, welcome back. In this video, I'm upgrading my car's old stereo to a massive 9-inch Android system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Previously, I had upgraded my steering wheel with controls, and in this setup, I'll be using it to its full potential. This upgrade not only improves looks, but also adds navigation, music apps, voice control, and a full smart experience inside the car. Inside the box, we get the 9-inch Android stereo unit, wiring harness, GPS antenna, USB extension cables, external microphone. This stereo comes with built-in Android system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. So let's get started with the upgrade. First step, always disconnect the car battery. Now carefully remove the upper dashboard panel. Use a panel remover to avoid scratches and disconnect the hazard coupler. Unscrew the factory stereo and gently pull it out. Disconnect all wiring connectors from the back. Now, route the external microphone. Place it near the steering wheel or on the A-pillar so your voice is clear during calls. Now, let's install the GPS antenna. Take the antenna and place it in a position where it has a clear view of the sky. The best locations are near the dashboard, close to the windshield, or just underneath it. Avoid placing it deep inside the dashboard or near heavy metal parts, as that can block the signal and reduce accuracy. Most GPS antennas come with a magnetic base, so you can easily stick it onto a metal surface inside the dashboard for a secure fit. Make sure the antenna is facing upward and not upside down. Connect the antenna and the power cable harness provided with the stereo frame. Next, connect the USB cables provided with the stereo. Now, plan where you want easy access to these USB ports. The most common and convenient places are inside the glove box or the center console. Carefully route the cables behind the dashboard, making sure they don't get pinched or damaged by sharp edges or moving parts. Connect the mic to the stereo harness. Step 4. Connect accessories. Now connect all additional components. GPS antenna, place near dashboard. USB cables, route inside glove box. Microphone, near steering for clear calls. Reverse camera, optional. These stereos also support steering controls and external devices. Now carefully place the stereo into the dashboard. Secure it with screws and reattach the panel. Make sure there's no loose wiring or vibration. Before fixing everything back, reconnect the battery and test the stereo. Check display. Check sound output. Test touch response. Connect Bluetooth. Try Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If everything works fine, move to final fitting. And please let me know if you would like me to make a video on how to pair the steering wheel controls and change the startup logo. Now power on the stereo and connect your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Opens Link or CarPlay app. Pair your phone. And boom, you get full Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on your screen. And that's it. Your Maruti Swift now has a fully upgraded smart infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you enjoyed this install, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive DIY videos.